watch out. We got a badass over here. Hello, my name is Wynmar Golis. This is my bike check. I got a volume thrasher with. Let's go. I got a medium thrasher, raw. Used to be blue. Got me blue splatter Trickster V2 volume bars, black ODIs, blue animal stem, jump off remix. Got a resist headset, black leader fork, dual 700 MTXs, sun ringle, blaze to resist hubs.
You know what's good?
A front blue and a front black, slotted 14. I got blue resist cranks, got a stock KMC chain, polished RRD sprocket, pull holds, it's been lasting me a while, full straps, yeah, black labels. I got a Odyssey, Mike Icon wolf seat, pivotal. I got me a resist black seat post, and I got fucking Michigan City tires, piece of shit, and I got a front Continental contact. Oh, bike. It's pretty lampupu though. New trick. Look.
Oh!
Today's not the day, man.
Dude, it's your shoes.